Hello my dear students. Now we are going to discuss statistics exercise 14.2 problems. So the problem is to find the mode. This is the main problem. So mode means what? So mostly repeated and it may be occur many times. So this is the meaning of the mode. Suppose it's individual data is given. So you can collect number of data from this which is occurred mostly, that is called mode. Now in the same way we have 100 data or 1000 data, means we are going to form as a group. If you have a group, then how to find the mode? This is the first initial stage. So for that here the range is given 10 to 15, 15 to 20, like that given, and the frequency given. So now the frequency 10 to 15 occurs 10 times, 15 to 20 occurs 15 times, something like that given. Now we are going to find the mode that is mostly repeated. For example, here 20 to 25, 25 to 30, here something 12, 11, like that given. So for that we are going to find most, because mostly repeated, no, so from 10, 15, 12, which one is bigger? So we are going to choose this one as a modal frequency. Now modal frequency, we need some name, so that's why this is called F1. Previous frequency, that is modal frequency, previously it's called F2, sorry, F0. That the next frequency is called F2. Like that you are going to divide. And from this frequency, which is the range, here we are going to write lower limit and upper limit. We are going to consider lower limit as L. So L equal to here 50. And H, the width of the frequency, 10 to 15, so width is 5. Using this, we are going to find the mode. So mode equal to formula here given, L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This H is common for this F. So this, how it's possible, that derivation no need now, but we are going to substitute all the L, F0, F1, F2 and H value in this mode. So simple idea, how to identify the modal class from this previous and the next frequency, and from this lower limit, and from the width equal width, no, so 10 to 15, 12 to 20 to 25. From this we need to arrange, we need to give the width. So the upper limit minus lower limit is called H. Upper limit minus lower limit. So we are going to find the sum mode by using this data. So for that our first problem actually given the following data, that is given age 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, like the table given, and the number of patients given 6, 11, 21, 23, like that. Question is find the mode and the mean of the data. So actually mode, how to find mode equal to L plus F1 minus F2 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So for that we need to identify from the table, no, actually table write like that, Xi F5. So write 5 to 15, and 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65. and Fi is given 6, 11, 21, 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. So this is the actually given. So now we are going to find which is the model class. Check 6, 11, 21, 23, which is the bigger one. So model class. So model class equal to, that is model class, we are going to give the name F1 because previous no, that's F not like that given. So F1, F2, F3 also you can give, just don't change F0, F1, F2 like that because 0, 1, 2 like that. So model class here, model class is the class interval 35 to 45. So therefore F0, F1, F2 we are going to write. So F0 previous frequency, so we are going to give us F0. Next frequency of the model class is called F2, like that divide. So F0 21, F1 23 and 14. So once again, first we need to find model class from this frequency, which is the bigger number. This is the first identification. From this you need to write the previous and the next frequency, and just the xi value is given. From this is the model class now. So from this we are going to choose lower limit. So therefore L equal to, this is the L value. This is L equal to 35. And finally H is equal to, with 5 to 15, 15 to 25, no 15. That's all. Identification over. We are going to write the table. From this table it should be equal in all the xi, and finally we are going to write this number and substitute in the mode. So for that, mode equal to L 35 plus F1 minus F2 14 divided by 2F1. So 2 into 23 minus 21 and 14 into H. H value 10. So that is 35 plus 23 minus 14, 9 divided by 2 into 23, 46 minus 21 minus 14, so addition, so 35 into 10. So just to do the simplification, as 9 by 46 minus 35, so this is also the same value. F1 minus, actual formula F1 minus F0, I have written F2. So F1 minus F0 minus 21, no? So 23 minus 21, 2. Now to F1 minus F0 minus F2. So for that 9 into 3. So after doing this 35 plus 20 divided by 9, just do the simplification, just to cancel this, we make it the answer. So 36.8. So 36 point is the mode. But the question is given, find the mean also. So already you know that how to find mean using this given table. Summation Fi xi divided by summation Fi. Use this formula and compare mean and mode value. Right. Next problem we are going to do. Right. Actual table, second problem. So xi, Fi only we need. So for the second problem, 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. So further 10, 35, 52, 10, 35, 52, 61, 38 and 29. So model class 61, so automatically F1, F0, F2 and lower limit L and finally H20. So therefore we can write F0 equal to 52, F1 equal to 61, F2 equal to 38 and L equal to 60 lower limit and H is equal to 20. So mod equal to L plus 60 plus F1 minus F2. So F1 minus F0, 61 minus 52 divided by 2 into F1 61 minus bracket minus F0 minus F2, 52 minus 38. So that is 60 plus 61 minus 52, 91 divided by 1, 2, 2 minus 52 minus 38 as 32, 0, 8, 122, sorry 90 into HY 20. So 60 plus 91 divided by 32 into 20. Just to cancel by 4, 5 4s are 20, 8 4s are 32. So 60 plus 45 divided by 8. Simplify, you may get the answer 65.625. This is the answer. So this is the model class. So we are going to identify the model class and from this F0, F1, F2 and HL value. Use this and finally you may get the answer. That's all. So mode is the simplest problem. You may get the answer. And similarly third problem, table actually given directly. We may identify model class. Model class here frequency is given 24, 40, 33, 28 like that here, which is the bigger 40, 40. So model class here 1500 to 2000. So here F0 equal to previous 24, F1 model class 40 and F2 model class 33 and corresponding expenditure is given lower limit L equal to 1500 and H is equal to 500. This data given, substitute and find your answer. So therefore mode equal to L plus 1500 plus F1 minus F0, so 40 minus 24 divided by 2F1, so 2 into F1 that is 80 minus F0 minus F2, 24 minus 33, so 1500 plus 40 minus 24, 16 divided by 80 minus 7, 5. So 23. 1500 16 divided by 23 into H. Sorry, into H. After finding the simplification, because 23 is a prime number, you need to cancel with your 500 and finally add this thing. So you may get the answer 1500 plus, I have the answer 347.826. So final addition 1847.826. Third digit is greater than 5. So I can add 1 with the 2. I can add 1 with the 2. That is 83. So this is your book answer. A 2-digit answer we may give, or 3-digit answer, this one also you can give. This is your final answer for this question. And anyway, question is asked to find the mean also. So we need to find the mean by using the mean division method or direct method. Using this assumed mean method. Using this we may get the mean answer also. Just to compare with your model answer. Thank you.